Do you know how scary a solar storm? Let's dive in. What's scarier than a monster under your bed? A solar storm. Picture this. The sun, our friendly neighborhood star, suddenly hurls billions of tons of charged particles into space. This is a solar storm. These rogue particles speed towards Earth at 1,000,000 miles per hour, like an invisible tsunami in space. When they crash into our atmosphere, it can fry satellites, disrupt GPS, and cause massive power outages. It's like getting hit by an invisible sledgehammer. But not all is doom and gloom. These storms also create stunning auroras, painting the sky with brilliant lights. So next time you see those shimmering colors, remember, it's the sun's chaotic dance lighting up our world. Stay curious, space enthusiasts.